The 2016 Honda Odyssey. The Honda Odyssey is a showcase of distinguished style, captivating technology, and advanced safety features. A must for all families. And it's priced below $35,000. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: keyless entry, power passenger seat, steering wheel audio controls, anti-lock braking system, stability control, traction control, Bluetooth, power steering, adjustable steering wheel, floor mats. A vehicle like this doesn't come along every day. Come in and get it before someone else does.